Guys, here you have a lot of ATMs. In case you don't have cash, you can always go there, and also like mini stores like I showed you guys, right? So just ensure that you know your right exit. If not, it's going to be very difficult because in one exit itself they'll have like phone numbers. So hello boys and girls, welcome to another vlog. So I really hope you're kind of liking the series of Hong Kong. So today we are kind of going to explore the metro and the kind of prices, and also especially the Octopus Card, right? How to kind of navigate through and all that. So I'll quickly kind of show you guys the metro station, how do we move from one stop to another stop and all those kind of things, right? So it's going to be a quick guide on the metro and how do we kind of navigate along with the Octopus Card. So stay tuned. This is the entry of metro. So you can find a lot of exits, like for example D1, D2 and all that. So whenever you kind of use your Google Maps, just make sure you kind of see the location where you want to go, and at the same time there'll be exits for all the places. Like it'll be like D1, D2. It's very easy to kind of navigate. So just ensure that you have kind of identified that, and then you can kind of exit or enter. And here you can see there are a lot of posters that they have, like advertisements. So keep an eye out on this because a lot of sales and a lot of stuff regarding the happening stuff will be posted here. So yeah, quick tip. Now we have to go towards the train here, like I'm showing you guys. This is the train area. So just follow the path along with your Octopus Card. So there's marking everywhere, so you gotta follow the mark. So do not go the other way around. So as you can see, there is this mark straight and back. So just follow the marks, and then you will reach wherever you want to reach. And then you do have a lot of 7-Elevens and mini stores here to kind of ensure that you don't get hungry or lost. So this is how you have like exit stations, and then just ensure that you find the right space and then exit from here. And if you have any sort of questions, right, so there are people kind of help you out in every space here, and you do have this mini space here to kind of help you with the single journey tickets, and also kind of topping up your Octopus Card, right? So your Octopus Card can be topped up in any of the 7-Elevens. It's even there in the metro station. Also, every other metro station has its own top-up space. So you can just go there and kind of top it up and then leave from there. So guys, as you can see, there is a mini store right inside the metro station here, which is kind of crazy. You do have all the stuffs here, guys. Not just mini store, you have like crazy luxury stuff like Chanel and whatnot. You find everything. So this is the quick tour of the inside of metro. So like this, you find 7-Elevens everywhere where you can top up your Octopus Card. So also guys, there's multiple exits here like I showed you. So just ensure that you go to the right exit. If not, you gotta walk a lot outside the metro station. So yeah, make sure you know the right exit and the exact destination that you want to go. So guys, we have to go to Summan line actually. So let's see where that is currently. So guys, I'll quickly show you how do you enter using your Octopus Card here. So we have a lot of entries. So just if you want to kind of go to the main area, just kind of enter through any of these gates, and once you enter you will get to know like where exactly you want to go down. As in, like once you go down, you'll get to know which track you want to take it. So you tap your card here, you'll see the balance. Mine is $30. So once you're done that, you'll get to know your balance as usual in any other metro station, and it keeps deducting, right? And it will go minus as well if you don't have the enough balance. And once from there, you can always come back and recharge, or the remaining amount can be added later on. So guys, as soon as you finish with this, you can keep it in your pocket, and then there you go. We are currently going to the car station. They call it car here, like every other metro. So you do have 2 side metros or sometimes 4. So you gotta see the which destination that you gotta go. So some places you gotta, there'll be actually what I've seen is almost every other metro station has, you know, different linkages. Like you gotta get down and go to different ones. So make sure that you do and get into the right ones. So guys, make sure you stand in the queue like this. Don't overstep onto anyone, and those are the lines that you can see. So guys, we are entering right now. Guys, that's how the metro looks. It's pretty cool, like the normal metro. So guys, everything written in Chinese and English. So it's easy for you to kind of go to the station. So don't worry about getting lost. So guys, we reached the destination station. So as soon as you go out, just ensure that you stand towards the right. Let's take this exit road. Just ensure that you stay on the right side, guys, and not on the left. So give way for the people who are going towards the end on the left hand side. So this is how you give gap. It's the same system everywhere. They have a lot of ads going on here. And then finally you have the exit. So like every other station, just go to the exit, but just make sure you know where exactly you need to go here. So yeah, I'll quickly see where is the exit. I'll show you my phone as well. So here, this is how you gotta see, and here it's asking me to go to exit D2. So I just take D2 exit and then head out. So C, D, A, B is there. So there you go, I'm tapping, that's my balance, and then we are out. So we follow towards D2 right now. This is very convenient. Sometimes they take like $5, sometimes they take $7. If you go far, it's gonna be very expensive. Like sometimes the max that I've spent for this is it's close to like 220 rupees. And like I said, you'll have a lot of shops here, guys, if you feel like kind of munching on. And sometimes I've been struggling to also find the toilet, so it's very difficult sometimes to get that, but yeah, it is what it is. Some places you have, some places you don't. So yep. So like I said, D is my exit. So here what we have to do is you also need to kind of check like which exit within D that you got to take. So you need to take like 1, 2 or 3. So you just have to ensure that you know your exact exit and then go leave. Guys, here you have a lot of ATMs. In case you don't have cash, you can always go there, and also like mini stores like I showed you guys, right? So just ensure that you know your right exit. If not, it's going to be very difficult, because in one exit itself they'll have like 4 numbers. So just ensure that you get down in the right spot. If not, you got to roam around a lot outside the metro station, like I said earlier. So I'll quickly show you how do we exit, and then I'm gonna wrap this quick mini vlog that I kind of wanted to show you guys regarding the metro station, right? So it's a very convenient way to kind of move around, and you find metro station every nook and corner across Hong Kong. So you also can avail tram, you can also take bus, but I feel like bus sometimes takes a lot of time comparatively to the metro. But so this is very convenient, and also just make sure that you know the right exit, you know the right entry, you know the right location to kind of ease up your journey, right? So yeah, this is how it is. Like I said, all these promos, just have a look at it, because you get the best deals. Now I'm kind of gonna go up, and then I'll show you the exit. So this is really helpful, your Octopus card. This is a savior, guys, and you can also use your Octopus card in all the 7-Elevens for buying stuff. So yeah, so guys, like I said, this is D2. There's a D1 behind me, but I'm gonna take D2. This is the place where I want to kind of exit and get out of this metro. So guys, I really hope you like the quick metro vlog here. So if this is kind of helpful to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. I'd really appreciate for you all to do that and kind of sharing all these kind of information with you. Also, I'm here right now at Shamshui Poi. It's a place for all your electronics and gadgets. So I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. So until we meet next time, see you. Cheers. Bye bye.